What a pearl of a day. We are in a bit of a lockdown at the moment, so I can't actually go to where I want to go to fly, but this will do for today. I've got the BetaFPV Meteor 75 here. Do some recording on the BetaFPV box goggles here, so you guys can see what this thing's all about. Really cool little starter kit. This is the advanced kit 2. Check out the top right corner there. You will see all text and specs and unboxings details of this unit. I have a fly around and I'm going to see how we go for DVR FPV transmission. I have flown this unit a few times before and I must say I am quite impressed. 25 milliwatt output. If you got a sec gang, smash that thumbs up. It would be massively appreciated. Apart from that, thanks heaps for stopping by. Let's get up in the sky. Of course, I'll be flying with the stock standard 451S. Let's go. And we're off and racing. We'll keep it nice and close to start with, just while I warm up. How cool is this thing, guys? Absolute cracker. They do say it's an indoor whoop, but let me tell you, massively capable outdoors as well. Just flying on level mode at the moment, as I'm going to be doing a little test to see how far I can go. Here we go. Wow, I don't actually want to go any further. I'm right over there past that tree, guys. That's come a long way. What a pearler. What a fantastic little unit. Let's see if we can max out this distance here. Okay, see if I can loop around that tree. If I can, I consider this thing to be first class. Oh, look at that. I'm so far away on a 25 milliwatt output for this VTX, folks, it's not funny. Even the bog stock standard remote, which I believe is only about an 80 milliwatt output, goes the distance as well. That really is fabulous. Lovely tune on this, guys. I can just rip around this thing really well. I might even do some flips and rolls in a minute. Absolutely delightful. If you're thinking of getting one of these guys, yeah, think no more. You will not be disappointed. I've had a couple of people complain about this unit, you know, some VTX issues, some pairing issues, but I can happily say I haven't had any of those issues. I expect to be getting quite low on batteries soon. Let's see if I can go down this hill very far. Oh, wow, that's outstanding. I'm probably past line of sight now. Just slow it up a bit. Okay, it's breaking up now. I'm right up there over the hill, so that doesn't surprise me at all. There it is. Luckily we are supplied with two 1S's, so I'm just hoping I've got the right one in here as I put them both in my pocket accidentally. Okay, sorry guys, this is the used battery. And we are low voltage again on our second 1S battery. And we all know what that means. I've given you guys this top tip before. When you head out into the field, make sure all of your lipos are charged. I'm afraid I came out of here with 1.5 batteries. Anyway, you get the idea. What a fab unit, guys. Comes with its own charger, comes with everything. As I said, check out the link if you want to see what's included in the kit. Fab unit. Awesome for the beginner and novices. I'll see you next video, gang. Sky Pilot. Bit embarrassed. See you next time. Bye for now.